Good morning to all. I am Sifatara. Today we are here to conduct in-house training session. Now today's topic is meaning of blended learning and our resource person Miss Neelu Muskan. So please come and conduct the training.
Thank you, Miss, for giving me an opportunity to conduct the in-house training session. I, Neelu Muskan, as a part of Jharkhand Public School, affiliation number 3430604 and our school code is 6663. My topic is practicing blended learning. Meaning of blended learning, components of blended learning, importance of teaching blended learning, 4 Cs of 21st century skills of blended learning, role of teachers in blended learning environment, role of learner in blended learning environment, main characteristics of blended learning, benefits of blended learning and conclusion. Meaning of blended learning. Blended learning is the term given to the educational practice of combining digital learning tools with more traditional classroom face-to-face teaching in a true blended learning environment. Both the students and the teachers should be physically located in same space. Blended learning, also known as technology mediated instruction, web enhanced instruction or mixed mode instruction, is an approach to education that combines online educational materials and opportunities for interaction online with physical place-based classroom method. Blended learning emerged and one of the most popular concept at the beginning of 2000 and is widely used in North America, England and Australia in college and training circles. Blended learning is a learning model that combines face-to-face learning, computer-based learning offline and internet-based computer learning or mobile learning online. Components of blended learning. Online learning. Online learning as an open and distributed learning environment that uses pedagogical tools enabled by internet and web-based technologies to facilitate learning and knowledge building through meaningful action and interaction. Online learning is a course where most of all content is delivered online, typically have to face-to-face meeting of the content is delivered. Online typically have no face-to-face meeting. Online learning is different from blended learning. Many people assume that blended learning is similar to online learning. Online learning, if more than 80% of the content is delivered online and has almost no face-to-face learning, whereas in blended learning 30% to 79% of the content is delivered to student online. Face-to-face learning. Face-to-face learning is synchronous learning model that is still being used until now and is very often used in the learning process. Face-to-face learning is a form of conventional learning model which is a student-centered learning approach. The teachers convey knowledge to students through the lecture, assignment and question answer method during the learning process. Face-to-face learning bring together teachers and students in one to learn. Self-directed learning. There are several terms used in independent learning, namely learning, self-direct learning and anatomy learning. Independent learning is a form of learning model activity in blended learning. Student can learn anywhere, anytime with anyone and through anything. In self-direct learning, students have the freedom to learn without having to attend lesson given by the teacher in class. Students have wide opportunities in learning. This independence need to be given to students so that they have the responsibility to regulate and discipline themselves in developing the learning abilities of their own accord. The flipped classroom learning. The flipped classroom learning refers the traditional class structure of listening to a lecture in class and completing homework activities at home. Students in flipped classes watch a short lecture video online and come into the classroom to complete activities such as group work, project or other exercise. The flipped classroom model can be seen as a sub-model of the blended face-to-face or blended online class. The rotation model learning. In this model, students in a course rotate between various modalities, one of which is online learning. There are various sub-models: station rotations, lab rotation and individual rotation. Some of these sub-models are better suited to K-12 education. Station rotation, for example, requires students to rotate between stations in the classroom at an instructor's discretion. Others work well on a college campus. The lab rotation model, for example, requires students in course to rotate among locations on campus, at least one of which is an online learning lab. In the individual rotation model, a student rotates through learning modalities on a customized schedule. The blended mock learning. The blended mock learning is a form of flipped classroom using in-person class meeting to supplement a massive open online class. Student access MOOC materials, perhaps from other institution or instructor if the course is openly accessible outside of class, and then come to class meeting for discussion or in class activities. In 2012, San Jose State University piloted a blended MOOC using MIT circuits and electronic course, with the students taking the MOOC out of class while face-to-face time was used for additional problem solving. Importance of teaching blended learning. There are many advantages by utilizing blended learning in the learning process, some of which have a flexible nature, meaning that students can contribute to discussion at the time and place they choose individually. Participation, meaning that all students can participate in the learning process because they can arrange a time and place to attend class. Learning has more time so that it can be more careful in arguing and more in reflecting on views and opinion. Blended learning is a very important in the teaching and learning process because it is not only done face to face, but also learning can be take advantage of virtual world technology, simplify and accelerate the non-stop communication process between teachers and students and help the teaching process in the classroom. 4 C's of 21st century skills of blended teaching. There was near unanimity that 4 specific skills were the most important of 21st century. They became known as the 4 C's. Students need these specific skills to fully participate in today's global community and put into classroom practice, namely critical thinking, communication, collaboration and creativity. First, critical thinking. The link between critical thinking and education is obvious. One can't learn well without thinking well. Critical thinking contributes to careers success but also to succeed in higher education. Critical thinking is a mental activity to formulate or solve problem, make decision, understand certain things, find answer to question and find relevant answer. Teaching critical thinking and problem solving effectively in the classroom is vital for students. Learning critical thinking leads students to develop other skills such as higher level of concentration, deeper analytic abilities and improved thought processing performance. Students will become effective communicators, critical and dynamic thinker, component problem solver and will become expert in their careers. Second, communication. Humans are social beings who always interact with each other. Therefore, communication is one of the most important things that can be the key to success in social life. Communication skill refer to an individual ability to communicate clearly, use spoken or written verbal or non-verbal language, and collaborate effectively. The main purpose of communication is to send information or message so that the recipient can understand them. However, not everyone can communicate well. Some people are good at conveying information verbally but not in writing, and vice versa. Third is collaboration. Collaboration is a 21st century learning trend. Collaborative learning environment challenges students to express and defend their position and generate their ideas, and based on reflection they can discuss conveying ideas to their friends, exchange differently points of views, seek clarification, and participate with a higher level of thinking, such as managing, organizing, critical analysis, solving problems, and creating new deeper learning and understanding. Collaboration is a skill aims to develop collecting intelligence in terms of helping, suggestion, accepting, and negotiating through interaction with other people that effective result in the past decade. However, it has become increasingly clear that collaboration is not important but necessary for the student and employees due to globalization and the rise of technology. Fourth is creativity. Creativity thinking is synonymous with the ability to generate new ideas. Creative thinking can also be defined as the ability to create a new object or concept or perfect an existing product to make it more attractive. Creative thinking skills can be nurtured by teachers and a learning environment that can encourage questioning, opens to new ideas, and learning from mistakes and failures. Like other skill, creativity and innovation skill can be developed through practice and over time. Role of teachers in environment. BL shifted the teachers BL shifted the teacher's role from knowledge provider to coach and mentor. This shift does not mean that teachers play a passive or less important role in students' education. Quite the contrary. With BL, teachers can have an even more profound influence and effect on students' learning. Traditionally, classroom instruction has largely been teachers directed, top down, and one size fits all with a bit of differentiation through in. But with BL, it now becomes more student driven, bottom up, and customized with differentiation as a main features. Much of this new learning dynamic is due to the enhanced role technology plays in instruction. BL provides an appropriate balance between online instruction, which offers the interactive tech-based learning, individualized passing, and privacy that keeps students continuously engaged and demotivated, and teachers led instruction with the personalized and learning experience and add the human elements of encouragement, compassion, and caring guidance that only teachers can give. This new learning dynamic benefit students and teachers alike, giving students permission and space to become active learners who gain knowledge directly, lets them assume some control over their learning and help them develop self-reliance. As more students are working independently, time opens for teachers to provide face-to-face support and individualized instruction more frequently for more students, effectively improving differentiation. BL provides teachers with a fuller, more or create pictures of how each student is doing. BL yield more frequent struggles and needs insights which empower teachers to comfort and coach students through challenges that often serve as obstacles to learning. In summary, BL combines the best aspects of online learning with the best aspect of direct instruction, helping teachers easily manage to do much more to meet students' need without adding to an already weighty workload. Role of a learner in the BL environment. First, increase student interest. When technology is integrated into school lesson, learners are more likely to be interested in focus on and excited about the subject they are studying. Second, keep student focus for longer. The use of computer to look up information and data is a tremendous lifesaver combined with access to resources such as the internet to conduct research. This engagement and interaction with the resource keeps student focus for longer period than they would be with books or paper resources. This engagement also help develop learning through exploration and research. Third is provide student autonomy. The use of learning material increase a student's ability to set appropriate learning goals and take charge of his her own learning, which develop an ability that will be translatable across all subjects. Fourth is instill a disposition of self advocacy. Students become self-driven and responsible, tracking their individual achievements, which help develop the ability to find the resource or get the help they need, self-advocating so they can reach their goal. 5 is promote student ownership. BL instill a sense of student ownership over learning, which can be a powerful force propelling the learning. It's this feeling of responsibility that helps the feeling of ownership. 6 is allow instant diagnostic information and student feedback. The ability to rapidly analyze, review and give feedback to student work gives the teacher the ability to tailor his teaching method and feedback for each student while improving time efficiently. Main characteristics of blended learning. The main features of blended learning are: students have the option of two models. Students in blended learning can select either the traditional mode of classroom teaching, where they can get personal interaction with teachers and their classmates. They can be choose ICT supported teacher learning. This largely depends on the nature of content and objective being targeted. Sometimes course designer of teaching themselves decide on the mode appropriate for topic being dealt with. Second, teachers are well versed with both the models. It is an important feature of blended learning. The teachers are very dynamic, techno-savvy and fully trained to work efficiently in both the formats, traditional classroom format and ICT supported format. They will be well equipped in using traditional method and other modern technologies. Third, students get face-to-face interaction as well. They interact in virtual space. Students get ample of time to interact with other students pursuing same course. They can react with them inside college campus and also in virtual space. Thus their group become very large and has much diversity, so the students knowledge becomes wide and they also develop a feeling of understanding, love and harmony with students of other cultures and countries. Fourth, students get fully experience in using new technology. The present century is the century of ICT. Today, the illiterate is not only the one who cannot read and write, but a person who is not well versed with modern technologies is also illiterate. Today, all professions demand expertise in ICT, so blended learning help to make students ICT experience reach. Student involved in blended learning gain capability to exploit available technologies to the fullest of their benefits. 5. Students get training in different life skills. Life skills are those skills that are needed to lead a happy, peaceful, and successful life. The major life skills are empathy, decision making capability, love, patience, communication, self management, critical thinking. The blended learning help the student to practice these skills. Students get equipped with few skills like love, empathy, patience in classroom through his teachers, classmates, and few like self-management and decision-making, critical thinking, communication through the online experiences. 6. All-round development of personality is targeted in blended learning. The students get full opportunity, full or around through blended learning, which is difficult to achieve in traditional mode of ICT approach in followed isolation, traditional development, and at the same time teachers behavior, playground experience, and social group with classmates developed of means and social networking sites and the other social interaction through internet help in right type of value development. 7. Physical development is possible with the school campus. The online learning and ICT support teaching learning process is often targeted with the blame that it ignores physical development of the students. The blended learning overcome this limitation and it included school experience also, so students get time for playing physical work, yoga inside the college campus. 8. Students get wide exposure and new perspectives of the course content. Due to variety of experience, students get wide exposure and their content knowledge is enriched. They get to see various new dimensions of the content, gain practical useful knowledge. 9. It has a human touch. Due to physical represents of teachers via traditional approach, students get that human touch which is very necessary for balance students emotional quotient and very necessarily up to secondary level. 10th, it provides multicultural and multi-dimension approach to teaching learning process. Blended learning approach provides students opportunity to communicate and share their views and feelings with the students all over the world. Thus, it makes teaching learning process multicultural and variety of experience bring with it interdisciplinary and multi-dimensionally factor also. 11. Makes teaching learning process child-centered. Blended learning is designed to provide maximum gain to students and thus reach the goal of child-centered education. 12. Diverse role of teachers. Teacher in blended learning is playing different role. Traditional role of a teacher in classroom, she act as motivator, as a resource person, as an organizer, as a developer. When she develops content to be provided through ICT as a guide on the side, thus teacher get freedom from the monotonous tradition role and she can try her hand in diverse areas that are good for her professional growth also. 13. Student construct knowledge rather than just consuming it. Blended learning also includes Also introduce constantly students construct their own knowledge rather than depending on other to design teaching learning strategies from them. Benefit of blended learning. Blended learning combines the best aspects of online and in-person learning. It gives students an element of control, improves communication, and is incredibly flexible, provide students with autonomy over their learning. Blended learning lets students progress at their own pace. Students can refer to courage, concept and materials as needed and can advance when they feel ready, and LMS makes it easy for students to look back on earlier materials and to move through coursework at their own pace. With blended learning, an environment of autonomy empowers K-12 students to learn, study and troubleshoot questions on their own. While guidance is also a click away, this can help students build discipline, independence and problem solving skills as they learn the materials. Enhance communication with teachers, students and parents. Blended learning environment combine the benefit of in-person and online teaching. This technology infused learning help enhance communication for teachers, parents and students both synchronously and asynchronously. For example, in a blended environment, teacher can use announcement features in their LMS to communicate class update, changes and new information to students and parents and all at once. Students can use discussion forums to ask questions, discuss course content and assignments and work together is assigned group and sections. Parents can get a window into the classroom by using the same LMS as their children to see what they are working on and what's on the schedule. This led them to stay up on date on the latest news from the classroom. Strong communication is the key to a fulfilled educational journey for students. Blended learning can help improve communication and ensure that students who are behind receive the extra help they need, while those who are ahead can take on enrichment opportunities to keep them challenged and engaged. Third, track and improve engagement. Using EdTech tools to enhance traditional learning practices also help provide educational stakeholders with more information about learning engagement and adoption to inform teaching and decision making. But success is dependent on using the right tools, which as an LMS with the right reporting capabilities to match your needs. For example, measure engagement, gain insight as to how learners are engaging with their courses. This helps teachers identify at-risk learners so that they can intervene and get students back on track. Understand attempt quality. Access visualization to help teachers understand the quality of attempt using quiz and question statistics such as reliability, re-average, grade and correlation for all quiz and question types. Monitor adoption levels. Understand the level of usage of EdTech tools along with breadth and depth of usage. This helps teachers and administrators get an idea of the wide variety of tools and features being used in the learning environment, as well as which features are being used to their fullest ability. Using analytics to track student engagement and the quality of assessment allow instructor to create more dynamic and interesting content, improving retention and understanding in their classes. This helps students get the most out of their blended learning experience by ensuring they are well equipped once they leave the classroom. Fourth, improve accessibility and reach. The integration of technological tools not only ensure that students can use material anytime from anywhere, it also improves accessibility for all students regardless of their learning needs. Some technology tools that can enhance learning experiences in blended environment include features that make content more accessible to students who use assistive devices as well as features that allow content to be accessed on demand. Here are some tools that help make courses more accessible. Accessibility checkers help catch common accessibility issues on static HTML content and offer suggestions to help you fix them on the spot. Closed caption provides students with a text version of the speech and non-speech audio information needed to understand the content. Assistive technology integration ensures that all learners can thrive in a blended learning environment. These technologies, which includes listening, visual and communication aids, are used by about 1 billion people. Assistive technology around the globe. These tools ensure that content is accessible and within reach of all students while making it easy for educators to create an inclusive learning environment. Every student deserves to learn in an environment that they can succeed in. Technology ensure that inclusion is the baseline rather than a luxury. 5. Benefits of blended learning at time of COVID-19 pandemic. With school all over the world resigning because of COVID-19, blended learning is becoming a new normal. Blended learning has been around for a while and is the combination of traditional face-to-face instruction and aspect of online instruction, all while students are in the classroom with the teacher. Blended learning strives to provide students the best of both face-to-face and online learning experiences. Blended classroom include face-to-face instruction techniques such as direct instruction or lecture, group discussion and small group work, while also using technology to provide in-class online learning that students can do at home provided they have access to necessary technology. Online instruction is often facilitated by a learning management system or LMS, and LMS is where the instructor puts all the lessons and activities that a student must work through to successfully complete the course. Typical LMS that schools are include Canvas, https www.instructure.com/canvas, Psychology, Blackboard and even Google Classroom, https classroom.google.com/etc. Conclusion. In the current era of digitalization, technology is here to improve the quality of education because the future of the nation is determined by education and human resources. Currently, blended learning and 4 years are trained in education and are used as learning models and basic skills that must be possessed in facing the challenges of the 21st century. Blended learning is a learning model that combines face-to-face learning, offline learning, and online learning. The use of blended learning aims to introduce and support students' digital skill in utilizing technology. The use of blended learning optimally is expected to create students who are not only intellectually intelligent but also smart in developing personal and social skill, who can think critically in dealing with a problem, communicate both orally and writing, create new ideas, teach students to work together and interact individually or in groups. Therefore, it is important to apply blended learning and foresees in the correct learning process to prepare students as human resources who can compete globally and in the future. Thank you.